Welcome to World Rampage. Today we're in a cockpit. If you want to know how and why, keep watching.
Whee!
After spending 2 nights on Nusa Penida, it was back to the mainland. We had spotted an abandoned hotel from the ferry and we were keen to try and find it.
And we are back on the mainland, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Away we go. We still have no idea where we're going tonight for the next 3 days. Wherever we go, we're just gonna chill and relax and recharge, ready for India. Oh my God. Whose idea was this? Whoa, that big lizard! Oh, there's another one! Whoa, that big lizard! Oh, there's another one! Oh my God. Alright, we're on a mission, guys. We found an abandoned resort Jesse wanted to look at. It was ridiculous to get in there. This is a terrible idea. Yeah, this is your track? Do you reckon this was ever something, but was it ever finished? Nah, I don't reckon it's ever been finished. Would have been like a mint resort once upon a time. I don't know how to finish it. They got close. There wasn't a hell of a lot more to do. Lord, look at all those bats. There's hundreds of them. And it stinks here, so I'm getting out of here.
Only finding an eerie shell of a hotel, we headed back onto the road. We have a traffic jam.
Alright, where are we going? Stick with Kuta?
Yeah, that Rama Gardens one.
Rama Garden Hotel, Bali. We are headed to Kuta. We're going to get a nice hotel and we're just going to chill out for some much needed rest for the next couple of days before we embark on our next journey, next part of the journey.
As we drove in the perfect weather towards our accommodation, we enjoyed the last real ride on our scooters, which had taken us around the entire island of Bali without complaint. We had fallen in love with these things.
Her name is Danger Dave. Yep. So we did this highly dangerous thing so that we could come to here. Check this out, guys. Wow, that's pretty cool. As you saw, we were just belting the wrong way up the highway because we seen this on the side of the road. And we just had to stop to check it out. I mean, look at it. A bloody plane, for God's sakes. I wonder how I got that big dent. I'm going around the other side so I can go in. Maybe. Look, that's under the nose cone. Nah, she's locked. She's locked. But there's a little hatch there. Wow. It is full of plane bits and wasps. And here's the wings. What are they made of? That's strange. My God, it's like a fibre composite with some aluminium honeycomb in it. It's nuts.
This Boeing 737-400 series has been serving patrons in flight dining experience since 2016. They offer weddings, birthday parties, and all the types of special events. They even have a large stage with rice paddies in the background for live concerts. And I must say, the food and drinks were really yum. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. Welcome to World Rampage Airlines. Please prepare for takeoff. It will be a little bit bumpy. I have never driven before. Thank you. After a very different kind of lunch, we set off on our very last leg, where we finally got the rain we had been avoiding this entire trip. Make sure you subscribe to see our last 2 days in Bali and as we prepare for our next destination, India.